Hello there. I wanted to share some thoughts with you. I know that probably many people have already seen the Power Lead system, and this is not a sales pitch for the Power Lead system in the sense that, a lot of people, they always want you to see the pay plan before they want you to see the advantages. But people don't do it for the long term because of the money that they can earn. They do it more about, can it create a benefit for me that I want to keep and control and have. Now, one benefit is obviously that you can earn income, but I'm not going to put any emphasis on that right now. Here's something that you might not know. For instance, I'm going to go to some pages I already own, some things I already own, I already pay for, and make you see what the benefit is because of the amount of cost that it is to do all of the things that you might want to do. Now, nobody has to keep telling you or drilling it into your head that you need to have a lead, and you need to have leads that you can talk to. You need to have contact, capture pages that helps them get on your list. And I have both of those in separate things because I've been taught that is how you do it. And I haven't gotten rid of them because I do have a list here. I do have a list of, it's not real large yet, but it's growing. And I have this tool. I have used it for quite a while. As you can see, if I click here, you'll see that I have a lot of things I've already created, and it's a very valuable thing. Now, the difference is the combination of this one and this one costs $100 a month, and this one here costs a lot less. It costs about $50 to own it and to be able to sell it to others. So this has not just the lead capture and the actual autoresponder contact database kind of place in it, but it also has where you can actually control your contacts. You can send individual emails. I could put up another one. There's a AHA, I think it's called, or something. There's several others. There's one called ACT, which is quite pricey, and it is a program that allows you to individually control your contacts, to be able to contact them, to be able to share content with them. And then also I'll take you to my blog. Now I have two right now because I'm working on changing everything over to this blog. And that is a lot of work for most people to keep track of all of this. You don't have to do all of those things at once. And also there is your Facebook account. You have both your personal account and you have, if you have any, Pages. Pages is one of the places where you can actually sell a product or a service. And this page is growing and building, and it's quite nice that way. And one of the things that I have realized over the years is that you don't have to have 5,000 different tools to accomplish the same thing that I've been accomplishing right here with the blog, with autoresponder. It's not that I'm going to get rid of this, but if you're brand new and starting out from scratch, you want to do this as affordably as possible. So when you're in Power Lead System, you can email to people, you can voicemail to people, you can send automatic messages, you can send virtual postcards, all to your list that's already building inside of this system. You can talk to individual contacts, You can build rapport with them that way. You can send them autoresponders. You can get their phone. You can actually send them information. There is a whole lot of other tools in here which really are not actually told. People don't say a lot about them, and maybe they don't understand them, but you can do this with about everything. And then another thing that's really cool is this is generic. This does not, you do have where you can promote this system, but you do not have to stay stuck with any particular product. I created several companies in here that I'm promoting, but you can promote as many as you want. And you can also do another really valuable thing that a lot of people do not get the opportunity to do. If you have a team of people in a particular company, and it doesn't matter what one, because this is generic, right? You can actually create, like it shows here, look at all of the different companies and more that you could do, because I've shown other ways that you can do this, but you can actually control and send anything to anybody from this program. And then the really cool thing is you can actually go to the websites you have created, and you can create a share code. And by doing that, you can actually allow anyone that is in this program with you to share your link, your product that you've created, your pages, whatever. If you have more expertise, or like for myself, I have more expertise than a brand new average guy, I can actually say, well, let me create something for you real quick, like I did with this demo IQ Life. I'm not going to go over that again because that was in another video, but I can actually share what I've created with anyone that joins me, and they can use it and change the link so that it is their link, and they can actually take advantage of my expertise. Now, this is very powerful. This is a serious leadership thing that not many people realize, is that you can share this with anyone that is part of this program with you, and they can take advantage of your personal expertise. Or if you're brand new and you have upline that knows how to do this stuff, the only thing you have to do is go and get their share code. For instance, if I have somebody in my team that's in Wake Up Now, I can offer them my share code, which is right here, and then they can actually pick up that information, and they can go and use that same funnel. They call it a funnel, which is a capture page plus autoresponders. They can use that, and they can build their own business because they changed the one little thing in there, the link to their own username. This is so, so, so powerful. And then on top of that, this thing has its own training arena where you can learn any one thing that you need to learn, not just about the system, but about marketing in general. You have this all available to you for free. This is totally out of the park amazing. And that's why I recommend getting Power Lead System. It's not about the hypey money that you can make. Yes, you can make money, but you know what? I'm more about serving the people that matter to me and the people that are in the internet. I'm especially focused on people that are brand new in the industry, and they don't have all of the expertise to run all of those other things I showed you. They want to learn to do it in a simple and fun way so that they start having results. And more than anything else, that is what this is about, is helping you to actually run your system, run your business, whatever it is, in a simple and reasonable way without going crazy and buying hundreds of dollars of either training or other tools. This has been Linda Cromar, and this is my explanation of why this is so powerful.